Imagine harnessing the power to reshape your reality with the simple act of self-talk. Welcome to the transformative world of positive affirmations. These affirmations are positive declarations, powerful tools that can help you challenge and overcome thoughts that are self-sabotaging and negative. They are like your cheerleaders whispering words of encouragement and belief, nudging you towards a more positive space, one thought at a time. When you form a habit of repeating these affirmations and truly start to believe in them, you're setting in motion a cycle of positivity. You're not just saying words, you're starting to live them, breathe them, and this is when you begin to see the ripple effect. Small, positive changes that gradually lead to significant shifts in your life. Affirmations are like seeds, and when planted in the fertile ground of belief and repetition, they can bloom into beautiful realities. So let's dive deeper into the methods that can significantly enhance the effectiveness of these affirmations. Affirmations are not just about repeating positive phrases. They require specificity, emotion, and belief to truly work. To get the most out of affirmations, it's important to tailor them to your personal goals and desires. Instead of general statements like, "I am rich," try to be more specific. Say, "I am successfully managing my finances and increasing my savings every month." This specificity makes your affirmation more tangible and real. Also, there's a trick to phrasing your affirmations effectively. You want to phrase them in the present tense as though they are already true. This helps your mind perceive these statements as your current reality, not just a distant dream. So instead of saying, "I will be confident and competent in my work," say, "I am confident and competent in my work." But the words alone aren't enough. It's the emotion and belief behind these words that give them their power. When you say your affirmation, try to really feel the emotion behind it. If your affirmation is about joy, let yourself feel that joy. If it's about confidence, summon that confidence. The more real the emotion, the more effective the affirmation. And remember, repetition is key. The more you repeat your affirmations, the deeper they seep into your subconscious mind. Make it a habit to repeat your affirmations at least twice a day, once in the morning to set the tone for your day, and once at night to reinforce them before you sleep. Even the act of writing your affirmations down can increase their effectiveness. You can write them in a journal, post them where you'll see them throughout the day, or even make an affirmation board. When you write them down, you're making a physical commitment to your goals and desires. And lastly, let's not forget the power of visualization. When you say your affirmation, try to imagine in detail what it would look like to achieve it. If your affirmation is about confidence, visualize yourself speaking confidently in front of others. But it doesn't stop there. There are other techniques that can help solidify these affirmations in your subconscious mind. The mind is a fertile ground, and repetition is the water that helps the seeds of affirmation grow. Just as you wouldn't plant a seed and forget about it, expecting it to flourish without any further attention, the same applies to your affirmations. Repetition is the key to embedding these positive statements into your subconscious. By repeating your affirmations at least twice a day, you allow them to take root, to become part of your daily thoughts, your reality. Think of it as a mantra, a chant, a rhythm that syncs with your heartbeat, resonating from morning until night. Now let's talk about visualization. When you say your affirmations, don't just say them, live them. Visualize the outcome. Picture in vivid detail what it looks like to achieve your affirmation. If your affirmation is about confidence, imagine yourself standing tall, speaking confidently to a captivated audience. Let your mind wander and paint a picture of your success. This isn't daydreaming. It's about creating a mental blueprint of your future reality. Writing down your affirmations is another powerful tool in your arsenal. It's one thing to think an affirmation, it's another to see it in black and white. By writing your affirmations down, you give them a physical form, a tangible presence in your life. Post them where you'll see them throughout the day, make an affirmation board, or write them in a journal. Let your affirmations be a constant reminder of your goals and aspirations. But affirmations are not just spoken or written. They are also embodied. Your voice tone and body posture play an important role in reinforcing your affirmations. Say your affirmations with conviction, in a confident tone. Stand tall, shoulders back, eyes forward. Your body language should reflect the positivity and confidence of your affirmations. After all, your body listens to what your mind says. Yet affirmations are not just about belief and mindset, they are also about action. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your affirmations are that first step. So take it confidently, boldly, knowing that each step brings you closer to your goals. Positive affirmations are not just about convincing your mind, they are also about prompting action. The power of affirmations is amplified when they are tied to actionable steps. For example, if your affirmation is about health, it becomes even more powerful when you include actions like, "I nourish my body with healthy food and exercise regularly." This makes the affirmation tangible and achievable, transforming it from a mere thought into a blueprint for action. Another crucial element in effective affirmations is personalization. Your affirmations should resonate deeply with you, reflecting your personal values, beliefs, and the specific outcomes you desire. When you craft an affirmation that is truly personal, it carries a greater weight and has a stronger impact on your mindset. Equally important is the role of mindfulness and awareness in affirmations. Being aware of your negative thoughts and consciously replacing them with your carefully crafted, action-oriented, personalized affirmations is a powerful tool for positive change. Mindfulness and awareness are the torchlights that illuminate the path of affirmation. Imagine them as your personal guides, shedding light on the negative thoughts and beliefs that often lurk in the shadows of your mind. These uninvited guests can be quite persistent, but with mindfulness, you become aware of their presence. You can acknowledge them without judgment and then consciously choose to replace them with positive affirmations. Affirmations aren't just about repeating positive statements. They're about replacing the old, unhelpful beliefs that have been holding you back. But to replace something, first you need to be aware of what needs replacing. That's where mindfulness comes in. It's the awareness of your thought patterns, the first crucial step towards changing them. So as you practice your affirmations, remember to do so with mindfulness. Be aware of the negative thoughts that might arise and consciously choose to counter them with your positive affirmations. Remember, practice and persistence are the keys to success with affirmations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon see the transformative power of positive affirmations in your life.